Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and we are going through old makeup. I have my Walmart bag completely full. This is almost to the end of this little series we got going on here, where I'm going through makeup that I had when I was a youngster. I was 10, 12, I'm almost 30, so we're going through a decade at least, if not 20 years old makeup. And if you've watched my other videos, if you haven't, I have a playlist. Go check them out where I'm going through all this makeup, so there is more before you get to this point. So we're continuing. So if you've came this far along, here we go into the 20-year-old makeup decade, testing it out and seeing if it's still good or not. We're going to start out with the LA Colors Bold Lash, and it's mascara, which we already know. We already know mascara is not something, look, it does not last, so we're just tossing it out. We're not even trying it. Is getting tossed into the sink. It will be thrown away. And we have, this is Skin Nutrition's New York Age Defying Dark Circles and Puffiness Serum. Ew. We're not putting this on our skin. This needs to be just thrown away, because it is, I don't know if you can see it or not, it is all grody and grimy and nasty. This just never did get used, and maybe we could clean it. But where is my makeup wipes? I thought I would bring my makeup wipes into this. I don't know where my makeup wipes are. Okay, we have a tissue. Let me find my makeup wipes and I'll be right back, guys. We have our makeup wipes. Okay, here we go. If you like my little shirt, it's actually like a nightgown, and I got it like 4 sizes bigger than I am, just so I can have something baggy to lounge in. It's so cute. I got it at Dollar General for 10 bucks. I actually have a picture on my Instagram if you want to go check it out. So we have this. We're going to see if we can. I mean, it don't have no information about when it expired or nothing. We're just going to try to clean it off. Honestly, I don't think I trust this. Look how nasty that is. I don't trust this, so I'm going to just throw it away. And I'm pretty sure I probably paid $1 for it back in the day. Just throwing it away. It's not even worth using. We have, here we go with the glitter stuff again. Now, will this make the test of time? Ugh, this looks moldy inside. Ew. This is getting tossed out immediately. This is moldy inside. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look. It is moldy. We're throwing it away. Or maybe it just has like residue from like old makeup in it. Throwing it away. Now this is LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. We're going to, oh, it still works. Can you see? It still works. We're keeping that. Here is these eyeliners we know we got from Walmart. We don't know if they worked before. The other ones did work. Some of them did and some of them didn't. This one still works. We're keeping it. I think somebody's going up and down my road on a four-wheeler. We're going to try this other one. It's awesome. Oh, this one came. Oh, man. This one's probably not going to work. No, it's dried out. It did not make it at all. Let's try the green one. These all came from Walmart. I had a bunch of them, if you know. Ooh. This green one really does work. We're keeping that one. I'm surprised these are actually working, because before, in our other videos before this one, they did not work. Again, we have more mascara. This one does not look too bad, but it's CoverGirl, and it's flamed out. I don't have the, oh, wait here. It don't have the date on it. So there's no date on it. Does that mean it expired? Hey, why are you barking? Shh. There's all kinds of noise going on in my house. I'm home alone. Creepy. Okay, we're going through some more. We have the, I don't even know, my dog's channel brand. But anyway, we have this. I tested out, and this is a lip coloring pencil. And I'm sure it may work, but it needs to be, I think it's dry. No, I think it's kind of working, but I need to sharpen it. And my dog is deciding to chew on her bone now, so if you hear the crunch in the background, that's because she's eating. I had this since I was in middle school. Middle school, look at this. Now this has some memories attached to it. It is definitely, this is when I first got obsessed with glitter. And this is the roll-on glitter. Ugh. I want to keep it though. I wonder if it works. Oh, it does work. It does work. It still works. There's a lot of glitter in it. I am super happy that it still works. Hey! Stop. Quit being mean. Alright guys, I'm back. Glenn brought me a dinner and I will be eating with you guys here in a minute. But that's a separate video in case you do not want to have dinner with me. We have allergies really. He's in there sneezing like crazy. We have allergies so bad right now because we cut the grass. Well, he cut the grass. This is Mega Plump Waterproof Mascara. Ooh, I think it made it. But mascara, if you use it after it's expired, it can cause you some serious eye infections. So girl, we may end up throwing this away. I'm trying to find the dates on it. Like, why do they not have dates on these? Like, if they expire, you need to have dates on here when they expire. Like, who's gonna know, you know? Oh my goodness. Advanced Radiance. What is this? Is this eyeshadow? Lip gloss? What is this? Is that CoverGirl? Okay, it's one of these. Are you in there? I don't think there's anything in there. Oh my goodness, I'm pushing it way out. Okay, here. There it is. Ooh, can we be using this? This is like a foundation. But that may have expired. We're going to use all this makeup for like one look and then throw it all away anyway. So, but it made it. It made it the test of time. Now we have the Max Factor. And this is a lip stain. Ooh, it's got something all over the side of it. Is it going to open? This made the test of time. Ooh, that's still so pretty after 10, 20 years. Some of this stuff really does make it, but some of it doesn't. It dries out and gets nasty and like this. It's really annoying. They're driving four-wheelers up and down my road right now. Anyway. I'm sure somebody will complain. Because, like, we live, like, in this, like, conservative little area. Ooh, that one still works, but it's kind of nasty looking. Look at it. Would I trust putting that on my lips after 20 years? No. Here's this other stuff. I mean, if anything, we'll keep this stuff and use it for, like, Halloween makeup. And not put it, like, mascara on, not put it on our lips. This is actually still pretty. I know my other videos I put it all over my face. I decided to just do it on my arms now. It's more professional. Not just that, I was just getting tired of having it on my face. Okay, this is not going to work. This is from the Dollar Tree. I already recognize the bottle. It is dried up inside, and I may have to like it just needs to be thrown away. That is hard, clumpy, it's broke, it's gone. So we're trashing that. Like I can't even get that back on. We're just trashing that. That's gone. We have a lip liner right here. I don't know who it's by. It just says lip liner pencil. And it's not working. It's gone. Oh, hey, it's coming back. It's coming back. It came back. Right here. Well, so we may be able to salvage that one. Ooh, these are so nasty. It's leaked inside there. And you can still get these at Dollar General. This is where you get those at, is Dollar General. They're usually $1. They still have them to this day. And these are naturally nasty. Like when you go and you're like digging through the colors, like you always get sticky stuff on you because they leak. And I used to carry these in my purse. And they just leak. Look at this. I do not like this stuff at all. I may just throw this away to get rid of it because it's just so sticky and nasty. And I do not like those at all. I mean, it's nice color, but it's just naturally sticky, nasty, and just ugh. Here's the color of it again. And it's just a sticky, it's real sticky, but it's pretty. I mean, it's pretty. Don't get me wrong. You can get your dollar's worth. All right. This video's not that long, so we can go through some more. We have this from Walmart. You already recognize this. Is this one going to make it? Because the other ones didn't. The other ones did, but there's some of them that didn't. This one didn't make it. Look at that. It did. Silver. We're keeping that. Again, can you believe this is 20-year-old makeup? Like, really? I'm trying to see what else we got in here. We got a lot. Oh, this is broke. It did not make it, but we're going to taste it. We're going to test it out. Let's take out all that gunk on my hand. Oh, this is so hard, but it's so pretty. Look at that. You can't even see it in the camera. But it's still so pretty. I'm going to keep it. We may be able to use it for something. Maybe be able to salvage it. And then glitter. You know glitter makes the test of time, so I'm just going to dust that off, and we're going to keep that. Just regular body glitter. You know it makes it, so. Then I got another one of these. And these came from, I think, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. This one is the pink. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's really pretty. Alright. That's so annoying. So that is all of our swatches from our 20-year-old makeup collection. I'm wiping it off. I don't recommend, like I said before, using old makeup that's expired because it can give you eye infections and all that stuff. But at the same time, it's pretty cool seeing what can make it, like through the test of time, going through your old makeup and bringing down like memories and memory lane of the makeups that you've tried and your first makeup and all that stuff. So that's kind of fun. And like I said, I'm gonna do a look with all this makeup that we're going through, and at the very end we'll make a look out of it. So hopefully you enjoy these types of videos. If so, give them a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye!